Hey everyone, my name's Andy. My channel's Finding Value. If you like making money, this is the channel for you. Subscribe to the channel. If you like this content, give me a thumbs up. Leave any comments or questions below in the comment section. Today, I'm going to talk about silver. I'm going to call it the silverback, like a gorilla silverback. For Wall Street Silver, obviously I'm part of the group and just want to give you an update on a big picture view of a lot of these silver companies and talk about the opportunities that I see. So this is the price of silver itself. And I've got this nice crisscross of trend lines all over the place. But we're bouncing between these two trend lines here, and a break above $30.50, I think, is a good spot. And obviously we're just going back and forth between 22.77-ish and about $30. So this is going to be volatile through here until we break that $30.50 mark. SilJ, this is a popular ETF for silver junior miners. We've got this large pattern, and it also is chopping back and forth underneath this large support line. Once it breaks it, game on. Now here's EXK. Now this one broke its major downtrend channel line, and we're just kind of chilling on top of it. I think this is a great opportunity to be buying in here because whenever you break out of these downtrend lines, all of that containment is broken. So I think it's a low risk, high reward spot to be buying EXK for the long term. Fortuna Silver Mines, we're still, I guess, chopping around in the middle of its channel here. So it's got a little more work to do, but it doesn't look horrible. Mag Silver looks like it came back into its, we'll call it the pattern here. Not too bad. We're going to have to break back through it. And we've got the nice 50-day coming on up. So once silver goes up, I think all these will do fantastic. First Majestic, this is still hanging out above its large chart pattern break. I think it's just a matter of time before silver goes up and this thing starts to rocket. SSR Mining, I threw this one in. They have one of the largest silver mines. I think this was called Silver Standard before. We're right here at the bottom of this upward trend line. So it's looking pretty good here if you want to add. We do have some support right below it. Here's MMNGF. And what I like about this is we've got a nice, big, strong pull up. And then the pull back is just going sideways. It's waiting for silver to move on up is what I'm guessing here. Discovery Metals is doing the same thing. Nice, big, strong move up on pretty good volume. The pullback is more muted. It's got smaller down days. This is a weekly chart, keep in mind. Nice, big punch higher, small pullback. We got the small pullbacks in here. That's good. We have a little bit of a sell-off here, and potentially we'll see where this thing heads in the near term. But if silver goes up, I think all these companies are going to be extremely strong to the upside. So in terms of strength, silver, there's nothing wrong with any of the silver companies. They're all within patterns. Some of them have broken to the upside. They're just waiting for silver to lift off, and that's it. What I do notice is that there's a strong correlation between where interest rates go and how the stock market and even the precious metals market is trading. When it pulled back today, everything just flooded higher. So we'll see if that continues. That's the thing to watch, would be the 10-year yield. It's $TNX at stockcharts.com. If you see that thing scream into the upside, more than likely everything's going to pull back. If you see a continued lowering of the 10-year yield, I think everything's going to come on up. At least that's what I'm seeing just by doing a loose correlation. If you guys like this content, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Leave comments below. And thank you for listening. This is Finding Value.